Ela levou meu sorriso e meu sorriso dela o meu assunto. Levou junto com ela que mede direito, arrancou-me do peito e tem mais. Leva seu retrato, seu prato, seu trapo, que papel, uma imagem de São Francisco e um bom disco de novela.
I think writing is something that already is on the melody, you know. I think it's really hard to just listen to a melody and start putting some lyrics. I think the sound of the words and of the letters just are already on the sound of the song. You know, like if you're playing something happy, this beautiful feeling just is already on the words, like love and peace. You know, you just have to put it rhymes and all. So I always wrote songs with lyrics. I think I play well the guitar, the acoustic guitar, and the ukulele, and the other instruments I just try to play, but I can read the partituras. I don't know how to say that in English. It's like the little notes written. So I can play piano, I can play banjo, I can play scaletta, harmonicas, and let me see, maybe clarinet. I think it's clarinet, claroni, and yeah, things like that, you know. But many different instruments. But when you learn one instrument, I think you get able to learn all the others. You just have to try.
A Rita matou nosso amor de vingança e nem herança deixou. E não levou um tostão porque eu não tenho não, mas causou perdas e danos. Levou os meus planos, meus pobres enganos, os meus 20 anos no meu coração. E além de tudo me deixou mudo o violão.
I started listening to Bob Dylan. It was my first influence, and still being one of my biggest influences. And then I started listening to Johnny Cash and like everyone, Beatles and everything. A lot of Beatles, and let me see. And from Brazil, I listened to Vinícius de Moraes and Maranhão, and Tom Jobim, Chico Buarque, Noel Rosa, Caymmi, and a lot of Billie Holiday. I listened to a lot of Billie Holiday, and some different stuff like Toots and the Maytals, or I don't know, James Brown. I also love, so I listen to everything, you know. I listen to good music. Bring my left for no for judge. You can do anything that you wanna do, but I let off my shoes. Yeah, thought you set my blue suede shoes. Cause you can do anything, let off my blue suede shoes. You can burn my house, steal my car, and drink my left for no for judge. You can do anything that you wanna do, but I let off my shoes. Been talk to